Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Let's proceed with our gold analysis. So in the gold market, we're mostly working right now with the retracement and trying to estimate what patterns could be formed, and just keep watching how market behaves around major levels and what to expect, because currently we have discussed two possible scenarios. So first scenario suggests deeper retracement to the 1320 area, just by the reason of first reversal swing and previous strong upside bullish momentum, and the market has formed just minor retracement. At the same time, here on the daily we have smaller bearish engulfing pattern, which also suggests a bit deeper action to the downside. And to combine this, in most simple scenario is just minor leg down here, completion of some guardian triple 2 pie on intraday charts, and then our projection to the 1320. That's the scenario that we're mostly following right now and watching what will happen. Potentially, this also could be kind of the butterfly buy pattern. So if market will just continue move lower, taking out of these lows and just will start dropping, that's also possible. But butterfly currently it not totally corresponds to the idea of the deeper retracement. So that's why currently we're watching for kind of the ABCD, but if market somehow will start to show acceleration lower, taking out of these lows, we probably will have to turn our suggestion and starts watching for another way how price could develop. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, that's the picture that we have discussed recently, yesterday, and currently market keeps it really well. So that's the point that we mentioned as one of the signal area. If market will take it out of this top, it means no deeper retracement will follow. Market will show direct action right to the XOP. But as you can see, market is following the scenario rather accurately. So this top still valid. We've got clear guardian triple to sell pattern. Minimum target of this pattern already is completed because market has shown 30% retracement of the whole guardian triple 2 pattern swing. It's 30% retracement, it's minimal requirement target. But since we have bearish engulfing on the daily, this pattern probably will lead to the further downward action. It's just a kind of the AB equals CD pattern should be formed here. So that's what we'll be watching today. At that point, around 1210 area, we start to watch for possible reestablishing on the upper direction right to the XOP 1320. That's shortly the trading plan that we will keep an eye on. On the hourly chart, everything goes according to our discussion. So recall what we said yesterday about this wedge pattern. Keep an eye on the breakout. So as soon as market will show the breakout in one or other direction, that will be the answer in what direction market could fall. So here, with the upward breakout A point has not been taken out, so it means that no straight up forward continuation will follow, and instead of that, market right now shows the downward breakout of this wedge. So in such circumstances, it is very probable that we could get here kind of the A, B, C, D pattern, and that's the scenario that we will keep an eye on. If somehow market will return back and still will take it out of the A point, it means that direct action to the 1320 will follow. But currently we are mostly focused on the setup that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart, and currently we will be watching for retesting on the 1290 area. That's actually the same level, so 618 support on the daily chart, and it will be agreement. So it's OP target of this A, B, C, top, D pattern. This action to the 1290 area should complete the target of the daily engulfing. So it is still valid because market has not taken out of this top. Yes, it's rather deep retracement here, but the pattern is still valid, and it suggests that kind of the downward action should happen. So mostly we are watching for the same levels, for the same setup. So the validity of the bearish setup based on this top until market stands below it, any downward action is possible. So that's the signal area for bulls. If market will take it out of this, of the A point, it means that we're going to the 1320. Bulls also could watch for completion of this AB city action around 1290. That's another opportunity to go short, not to go long. While bears could watch for development of this current situation, and if you would like to, you could try to either take the part in this small in the shorter term setup on intraday charts, or major setup should start around 1320 as soon as market will complete this large ABCD and we will get daily garters triple to sell. That's our major setup that we are watching for. But short-term setup is also not really bad. So let's see what we will get.